Hey folks, Technivorous here. Don't mind the messy garage. I just wanted to show you a few projects I've been working on lately. Haven't been doing a ton of 3D printing. I'm still into it. We're going to do a ton more videos, but I've actually been enjoying my time lately with my new hobbies. So this is my forge for doing metalwork. It's awesome to be able to make things in plastic, but I thought it would be kind of cool to make things with metal as well. So like I said, don't mind the mess. We got some new tools in the shop, a couple of anvils, some hammers, lots of cool stuff. What I really want to show you is this guy here. This is the one I'm most proud of so far. I made this blade, hand forged from high carbon steel. And if I can get it to focus, you'll see razor sharp. I haven't put a handle on it yet. Now this is actually a Diablo 2 Necromancer dagger. So we are doing a bone handle on it. I got to order the bone and get that coming, but the bevel actually came out really, really nice. I like this dagger. I cannot wait to finish it. So I have a couple other things I've been working on. This was actually the first piece of metal I started beating on after I got the forge. It is supposed to be a Roman gladius. It is really heavy, really thick. I haven't started the grinding on it yet. So we'll have videos on pretty much the whole process eventually. I'm just going to kind of mix them in with the 3D printing videos. And I have some ideas for pouring resin handles that I think will make some 3D printed molds. This is a knife blade, a chef's knife that I'm working on. And as you can see, it is not fully ground down yet, but the shape is not bad. Now this was actually the second blade I made, and I wasn't quite sure how to do this part right here, which is what they call the ricasso on a sword. I'm not sure what it's called on a knife, but that's why there's this grind here. That was before I acquired a few more tools for cutting in hard angles like this. One of the reasons I haven't put a handle on it yet is my belt sander won't get into that corner. So that is why I have the handy dandy old Dremel charging up over here. And we'll be grinding down some of those tight corners with the Dremel. But really, really happy with how things are turning out so far. Can't wait. I have some Damascus on the way. My forge doesn't quite get hot enough to forge weld steel to make my own Damascus yet. I did put some rigidizer on the Kaolin, and I also put one layer of Satanite, which is a high temperature refractory cement. But you can see that the layer of refractory cement was a little bit thin and it's wearing in places. There's cracks, so I'll have to put another layer of that on. And after that, it should retain enough heat to get to welding temperature because it's real close. If that doesn't work, I'm going to have to put in a forced air system in with the propane fuel in order to increase the temperature. So we should have videos on that as well. Let me know if you guys are into the forging stuff, if you want to see some of these videos, if you want to see me do more, or if you want to see the forge in action, because I would love to do some different builds that involve both forging and 3D printing, because I have some ideas. I just want to make sure that everybody's kind of interested so I'm not wasting my time with the video. So yeah, that's it, guys. Pretty sweet setup. I'm happy with it. Like I said, I went through the my first anvil was this little 22 pounder, and it worked great for small knives and things. This is my new anvil. This is a 66 pounder. I actually, from my father, got a 122 pound block of square steel. So that'll be a nice flat surface for making swords and stuff. But I do need to take a grinder to it because it was outside and it's a little bit rusty at the moment. So yeah, thanks for stopping by, guys. Don't forget to leave a like if you're into forging and you'd like to see some videos. And hit that subscribe button because I got a lot of cool stuff coming out. Like I said, we're going to mesh up a few of my hobbies and see what we can make using all of the tools at my disposal. And I think it's going to be pretty sweet. So thanks for stopping by. We'll see you in the next one. Technivorous out.